There are certain types of videos you can make that will never get monetized. Yes, I mean what I said, never. And trust me, I've seen it happen with people, and you might be the next victim. It was an amazing YouTuber that I meet on YouTube and hard over 230,000 subscribers. She even had that shiny YouTube silver plaque, which YouTube give to their creator after reaching the 100,000 subscribers. But guess what? She wasn't monetized. She just has the number and subscribers, but not monetized. Why, you might think, but I will jump into that in a moment. At first, I didn't believe it. I mean, how can someone with that many subscribers not be making money on YouTube? Meaning that I remembered Rose Shahibu. I had followed her journey all the way from TikTok to Instagram and now on YouTube. She once shared a video explaining how she had been posting videos nonstop, and when it came time to apply for monetization, YouTube said she was not eligible for monetization. They rejected her. That's when it hit me. It's not just about posting, it's about what you're posting. And it doesn't end there. Even my own close friend, Emmanuel, went through the same thing. That's how I know this stuff is real. So today, you will know the 4 types of content that can stop your channel from ever being monetized. And I'll also give you tips on how to fix it if you're already in one of those niches. Compilation videos. Let's start with a big one, compilation videos. You've probably seen them, those videos where someone takes funny TikToks or clips from Instagram and puts them together in one video. That was what my close friend was doing too, and I warned him. He wanted to hit that magic 4,000 watch hours, so he kept posting those kinds of clips. He got the views, he got the 1,000 subscribers, but when it was time to monetize, YouTube hit him with a copyright strike. Now he has to wait 90 days, and even though he can post, he can't earn anything. To fix this, if you are in such a niche, is to add your own voice or commentary. But with a new YouTube policy coming up in July 15th of 2025, I will advise to avoid compilation niche if you don't understand how to add value to compilation videos.
A lot of you want to do faceless content. Maybe you're shy or you just don't like how your voice sounds. I get it. But here's the problem. YouTube has started rejecting channels that only use robot voices. Especially in niches like African folktales or motivational videos. People copy the same viral script, use the same AI voice tools, and expect to get paid. But YouTube catches on quickly. If they see you're just copying without making it original, they'll flag it for copyright. Here's my advice. Use your own voice. Even if you still use AI visuals, try reading your stories or narrating the script yourself. On my own folktale channel, or use 11 Labs since it has human voice generator. Silent videos. You know those calm videos with soft music and no talking? Maybe it's for meditation or motivation. Well, YouTube isn't into that anymore. Why? Because there's nothing happening. No voice, no personality, no engagement, just visuals and background sounds. YouTube wants creators to connect with their audience. If you're not adding anything meaningful, why should they pay you without commentary? I'm not talking about big networks like CNN. I mean creators who just copy clips from TV news or social media and upload them. No commentary, no explanation, just copy and paste. That won't work. You'll get flagged for copyright and your channel won't get monetized. Instead, study the story yourself, understand it, then explain it in your own words. Use the original footage only as background or proof, not as the main video. See you in the next one. Stay smart and keep creating.